Today I'm just having a little bit of a wander in my local neighbourhood. It's something I do most days, and my neighbourhood happens to be mostly pine trees, wild fennel, lots of delicious little plants that you can actually forage, and also almond trees. This is a place where almond trees grow in absolute abundance. And I think they're going to have a sort of almond festival here soon, maybe next month. I don't know what that means we're going to do. I mean, maybe we'll sing songs about almonds in Spanish and dance. I don't know. I'll have to check that out. This is cool because I've just spotted some almonds and I'm just going to forage them. Yeah, look. Got some nice little beauties there. Oops. Smashed it a bit too hard, but there you go. Oh, that's really good. That's my first. It tastes really almondy. Oh my goodness. Oh, my almond milk is going to be so delicious with that lot. Quite exciting really when you just go for a little walk in your neighbourhood and find some nice things to forage. Right, so I've harvested a nice little stash of almonds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my little place, I'm going to crack them open, then I'm going to soak them and leave them overnight along with the dates, and that serves two purposes with the almonds. It makes them easier to blend if you're going to make nut-based milk. But one of the most important things about soaking almonds is that it releases the enzyme inhibitors. Now in simple terms, that actually means that it makes the nutrients more bioavailable from the almonds so that you're going to absorb and assimilate much more goodness from them. So it serves a couple of purposes there. So let's go back to my little place up the hill and let's see how I make it. So I do hope that this inspires you to try your own plant-based milk at home. Let me know how you get on if you do. Play with it, tweak it, explore, be adventurous. If you like what you see here, please do come and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come visit my website, kindearth.net. Thanks for being here, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.